exceptional, and from a exceptional achievement from a world-class player. That's how it is. I think he made a few steps in the last couple of months in the right direction, and so it's really it's an outstanding number. I heard the names of the other players who did it a bit quicker. It was Alan Shearer, Ruud van Nistelrooy, and Andy Cole. Yeah, good strikers as well. So maybe would have scored more and earlier if I wouldn't have played him that often on the right wing. So my fault, but no, not bad, and helped us a lot. And the boys know that, and I think it's a typical win-win situation. He benefits of the style of play with the other boys, and the boys benefit, of course, of his scoring desire. So that's cool.